Christy here from amzn.to, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a really simple and inexpensive eucalyptus spring wreath. Alright friends, welcome back to my channel today. Thank you so much for joining me. Those of you that have been following along for a while know how much I love to keep things simple, which is why I am so excited to share my spring wreath with you all this year. Nothing celebrates a change in season as much as a new wreath. Now typically you would hang a new wreath on your front door, which I have done, but since seeing a wreath hanging on our wood hood fan behind me here in my Christmas home tour, I absolutely fell in love with the look. So although I kept things really simple with my spring decor this year, you can find a link to that tour in the description box below. But I really wanted to add a little pop of color in our otherwise very white kitchen. So let me show you how simple and inexpensive this was to make. Alright, so I only needed to gather a few supplies to whip up this really simple wreath. I started with a 10-inch grapevine wreath form. I also used 5 sprigs of faux eucalyptus, 1 large hydrangea bloom, and a little bit of twill ribbon to hang it with. So the first thing I did was cut up my stems of eucalyptus just into smaller pieces with some simple wire cutters. I also pulled apart my larger hydrangea bloom to have a few smaller pieces to work with. As with all of my wreaths, I laid out all of the pieces onto my wreath before gluing anything down, just to make sure I got it just the way I wanted it. And then I attach it all more permanently with a string of hot glue down the stem, weaving the stem into the twigs of the wreath as much as I can to really make sure it's in there and secure. As you can see, I sort of scattered in the smaller hydrangea pieces throughout my wreath, attaching it with just a little dab of hot glue again. And that was it, guys. 10 minutes later, I had myself a beautiful spring wreath. I looped some really simple twill ribbon around my wreath to hang it with, tying a plain double knot at the top, and then leaving the ends nice and long to hang down behind it. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. Thank you so much for watching.